Hi everyone, this is a detailed video to show you how to make these beautiful daisy flowers, and these are stacked paper flowers. So for this we will go to Cricut design space and start a new project, hit uploads and upload image. I have put this on my desktop, so I will open this SVG file and then upload. And now these are in recent upload area, and now if I click this, you can see this little circle where it will show that which file will go onto the canvas. So add to the canvas, and now I'm going to place it a little bit inside. After an inch, I will leave an inch around, so it will cut inside the material and it will easily be inside the area of the mat. And now I will ungroup this file to see how many layers I have. So I will right click and ungroup, and now I can see how many layers I have. So the centers I want to cut in one color, and the petals I want to cut in one color. So I will change the color of petals to 1. So I will choose any color, so they will stay on one mat, and then centers in different colors, so they will go onto the another mat. And now I will hit make. It will take me, now I don't want to save my project, so I will leave this. And now it is asking you how will you load all of your material for this project. I have a mat, and so I will select on mat 12 into 12 inch mat, and I will continue. And now you can see that here my flowers are ready on one mat and centers on another mat. So now it is good to go. So now I will hit continue, and now I will attach my cardstock to two different mats. I have two different mats, so if you have one, you can cut petals once and then remove the material, and then cut the centers in other material if you like. So first, and this is a brayer I'm using, so this is a roller attached to handle. It is a very useful tool. You can attach the cardstock to the sticky part of the mat easily, and this brayer really helps it, and it attaches the cardstock evenly onto the mat. And now I'm going to attach my cardstock, which is in the darker color, and this is for the centers. So use this brayer easily with very light pressure, and the material will be stuck to the mat very firmly. And now I will hit continue. And now it is finding my machine. I have attached my machine with the USB, and you can also use a Bluetooth. And now it is asking me to set base material. I will use medium cardstock, and now it is telling me to load tools and materials, so I will do that now. The material, and here it goes, and you can see this light is blinking. So I will click this light, and on computer it now is checking, and now on the computer it is measuring the mat length and estimating the cutting area. Now it says press go, so now I'm going to press on the machine and on this button. So now it will cut, and now you can see side by side that it is detecting and starting to cut the material. So it will cut these petals, and we will meet when the project is finally cut. to unload the mat, and I'm going to unload it and show you our cuts. Here are they. You can see how nicely these flowers are cut. So now I'm going to take them out one by one, and I'm going to fold the mat, not the cardboard. I will repeat the same process for the other mat where I have attached the material to cut the centers in the dark color. All parts of our flower which we require are now cut, you can see, and now we are going to assemble it. So before assembling it, I just have this knife like tool, very simple, and I'm just going to little bit shape these flowers like that so it looks organic and natural. So with this tool I'm little bit going to shape them like this, turn them slowly like this with a lot of patience, so it will get some flower shape. So you can see, right, so I will keep on shaping my flower with this tool that I have, a very simple tool which I got from a dollar store, not very expensive. So it will help you shape the flower. So it is done, and I will also mold it with my fingers, my hand, give it some rounded shape. Your your fingers and your hand can do a better job, because it will simply do the best, and you can always control the pressure. So here it is, and I'm going to make this slowly, and you can take any tool, a simple pencil will be fine, but here I have this tool, and mold this flower a little bit and with my hands so it looks like this. Now I'm simply going to glue it with a regular glue, and use this tweezers to handle the petals. So let's do that. So I have some glue here. I put a dot. You can use any other glue for that, but for this project I'm going to use a very simple glue. So I'm going to first watch and carefully alternate the placement of petals like this little bit, so it looks like a real flower. And I will repeat this process with the top layer like this. Carefully, take your time, and if you are like me, your hands are shaky, do it slowly and press it. So now it will becomes like this, and I will just glue the centers one by one. So I have large, medium, small, and I will glue these small pieces in that manner. So here you go, and I will help with the tweezer. I will just center it and slowly press it so it glue is everywhere, and repeat this with other layers like this maybe, and center it slowly. Take your time, nobody is going anywhere. So, and finally this little piece I will just put some glue in it and then glue it like this. So, and I will fix it with the, and here you go, your daisy, a stacked flower is ready. You can see, you can use it on cards, on signs, and wherever you want. This daisy is now ready for all the projects. Thank you.